What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can earn money online worldwide by filling out numbers and letters. All you have to do is stay with me to find out all the details here, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more on a consistent basis. And also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into this opportunity here, it's going to be a quick one, so make sure you stick till the end of the video and don't miss out on any important information here. And you're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. Because this is a perfect opportunity to earn some extra bucks online, worldwide, while you build your real online business there. Let's get started. Alright, so the site that we are going to today is Pillowboxcom. Pillowbox.com, this is how it looks when we arrive here, and you can quickly see that it is about captcha here. Do you want to earn money just by playing and solving captcha? So if we scroll down a little bit, have a look at the details, you can see here Pillowbox, we made earning money more fun and easy. It lets you earn cash by just typing and solving very simple captcha. So I mean, this is so simple that you don't need any previous experience at all to do this. And it is totally free to sign up for. So it doesn't ask you for any investments, 100% free. And you can see here that there is actually a couple of ways. By captcha minute, unlimited captcha encoding, there is a referral program, monthly referral bonus and top earners rewards. So let's have a little bit closer look at the details here. You can see here you will be given 1 minute to solve many captchas as fast as you can. There is the get a chance to earn up to $75 every month if you reach 100% from solving the unlimited captchas that we provide. The referral commissions, you can actually receive 25% lifetime referral commission every time you referral earn from solving minute captcha. Then there is a bonus also, no withdrawal fees, so it's definitely a huge benefit also. And of course that PayPal is available, but if you don't want to have PayPal as a payment method, you can choose between Bitcoin, Gcash and many more here. So we can have a quick look at the FAQ here. So Pillowbox doesn't need any amount from you to start using our system. All you need is time, patience and a working computer. So you definitely need to be patient with this because, as I said, you won't get rich, but it will sum up to a few extra bucks online there, definitely. So absolutely worth to sign up for. Now the minimum withdrawal is actually $2, so it's also very nice, so you can quickly make some extra money here and withdraw the money there. There isn't any withdrawal fee. Now it can take you up to 15 business days actually, so you have to be patient and wait here. The payments methods are, as we mentioned earlier, PayPal, Gcash, mobile, Steam wallets and so on. I actually did check online by typing a review, Pillowbox review, and I found out from Beer Money Forum here that it's definitely a legit company. You can see payouts here, $70 US, and there is more people who has left their feedback here. So definitely worth to sign up for, as I said here. How do you earn? So you can see, as we said earlier, there is a couple of ways to earn in Pillowbox. And you can actually make a $5 referral bonus also. So there is definitely more than just the simple captcha to earn money from this site here. And let's have a look. The referral code also, we can see here there is a discussion section. So you can have a look at this for yourself. You can see if I type here what's the worth of, you can actually make 30 let's see here, $8 it says you can make. So if we open this one, it is about the bonus and also the $3 30,000 captcha. So it has calculated that you can earn extra $8 in extra money here. But you can have a look at the details for yourself. Just go to Pillowboxcom. Before you sign up, I highly recommend you to have a closer look at it so you know what you are doing here. So there you have it, Pillowboxcom. Have a look at the details for yourself by just going to the site. You can read through anything you want here actually before you sign up. As I said in the beginning, you are not going to get rich with this opportunity, but you can make a few extra bucks there. Now, if you're interested in building a real online business, making a full-time passive income online, then I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, and much more. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.